And as you saw, the Galaxy Fold is a device unlike any that's come before it. At Samsung, we're driven to invent meaningful breakthroughs. With the Galaxy Fold, you get a powerful smartphone and a revolutionary tablet, all in a single premium package. When it's folded, it has a 4.6-inch display. When the device opens up, your world does too, with a massive 7.3-inch Infinity Flex display that transforms the Fold into a tablet. One of the biggest challenges was building the backbone of the device, something that could hold strong, even after hundreds of thousands of folds and unfolds. So we invented a sophisticated hinge system that allows you to open and close the Galaxy Fold smoothly and naturally. And the beauty of it is, you don't even see it. The hinge's multiple interlocking gears are hidden, giving the device a seamless, elegant look. We also gave you 4 galactic colors to choose from: Cosmos Black, Space Silver, Martian Green, or Astro Blue. Depending on the color you choose, you can make it your own by personalizing the hinge color too. With 2 different screens, it's perfect for any situation. When closed, it fits right in the palm of your hand. So you can send a message to a friend or make a call with one hand while you're on the go. With immersive visuals and sound by AKG, your favorite movies come to life in vivid color and rich audio. And the interior screen is so large that it powers a truly next-generation experience, one never before seen on a smartphone. 3-app multitasking. You can watch a YouTube video of Hawaii, text your friend about it, and browse travel options all at the same time. Each screen works perfectly on its own, but the Fold is more than 2 separate screens. It's a unified device. These displays work together to give you a singular, seamless, multi-screen experience. And the key to making this possible is called app continuity. And what that means is that you can switch between the screens without missing a beat. So, when you stumble across an interesting Facebook post on the front display, you can simply unfold your phone to see all the details on the bigger screen. The Fold has a state-of-the-art 7nm processor and 12 GB of RAM, making it one of the most powerful smartphones on the market. There's 512 gigs of onboard memory, and for the first time on a mobile device, support for Universal Flash Storage 3.0, which means they know what it means. This means you'll be able to read data twice as fast as most other smartphones, making it incredibly responsive. Our engineers have developed special technology to combine energy from both batteries into a single power source. Now that is a whole lot of power. And the camera is just as flexible as the rest of the device. In fact, it's actually a system of 6 cameras. 3 on the back, 2 on the inside, and 1 on the front. The Fold will always be ready to capture the moment no matter which way you hold it or you fold it. Let's take a look. Hey Josh, can you help me out?
I'm really excited to show everyone what the Fold can do. As you can see, it fits perfectly in my hand. First, let's unlock it. All I have to do is place my thumb on the side, and I'm ready to go. Wow. It's really quick. We have all the usual suspects here. Here are my messages. Here's my email. And my playlist on Spotify. Pretty much everything that I already do on my phone. I can easily pull out Google Maps. But here's where things get really cool. I can unfold it and instantly see the map on the big screen.
That's amazing. That is amazing. As you can see, the same map that Josh was just looking at on the front display is already inside, waiting for him. Everything's just like he left it. That is the power of app continuity. So how about we check out another app on the big screen? How about Netflix?
Sure. I'm a huge fan of Netflix. I usually watch it on my tablet, but now I can watch it right on the Fold.
Wow, that is a gorgeous display.
And you can do all 3 at once.
Oh, well, we have to see that. So let's say Josh wants to watch YouTube and chat with his friend on WhatsApp at the same time. And you never know when he might need to Google something. There you have it. That is 3-app multitasking in action. On the left, the YouTube video is playing. On the right, he's messaging a friend, and if he needs to browse the web, it's right there in the third window. And if he wants to browse in the bigger window, he can do that too. All he has to do is just drag the browser over to the larger display. It's so simple. It's simple and seamless. And the screen is big enough to fit all 3 apps. The Fold comes in both an LTE and a 5G version, starting from $1,980, depending on your region and carrier. And you can get your very own Galaxy Fold starting on April 26th.